welcome. Thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia and I live in beautiful Jamaica. Well, you know, this is the exciting part of my work now, you know, the real estate. For those of you who know me, you know that I sell real estate in Jamaica, right? But I also do construction, guys. Yes, so if you have a piece of land, maybe you bought it from me, maybe you didn't buy it from me, but you want to know you're ready to put your building on it, to put your dream home, then you can give me a call, right? 876-292-6776. So basically, I think I stepped away from the front of the foundation, but this is the, so we did line out now, Jamaicans. We set a batter board, we put out the batter board on the sides going around, right? So this is one of the outer walls. So as you can see now, we're trying to, so the tractor is going to be digging this. So we have lined up the foundation. All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So this particular house has 8-inch blocks going right around on the outside walls, right? So this is the side wall. So I'm at the front of the batter board right here. So it's a 24-inch foundation. So between here and here is 24 inches, and it's slated for 8-inch blocks, right? And this is the center, so 8-inch for the blocks. So it's a 24. Sometimes your foundation can be 18, it can be 16. It just depends on how big your house is and exactly what it is they're doing. So this foundation that we're doing is called a strip foundation. Strip because we're going to dig and get the foundation, right? So as you can see, so there's my main crew up there. Right, so look now. So you see this line? So we spray the line. So we line up this piece of steel with the outer peg because we're digging the foundation. Okay. Oh. Okay. So what we're trying to do now is set up so between the red. So you see that red line? So that is the line that we want this tractor to dig in for the 24-inch foundation, right? So this particular building, the depth that we need to be at is 3 feet. So we need to be 3 feet in the ground and 24 inches wide. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're lining out here so that the tractor can come and do his thing. So a little later, I'm going to show you exactly what the tractor did. All right, so remember, if you're ready to build, give me a call, 876-292-6776. We started from the blueprint. So if you don't have the blueprint, we'll handle that for you. You tell us your ideas, your dream, what it is that you want. You know, you want a jacuzzi on the roof, let us know. Anything, the sky's the limit. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye. Yeah.